Ever wondered how tea came to be a world favorite drink? The story begins in the heart of ancient China, over 4,000 years ago. It was a time of emperors and dynasties, a time when a man named Shen Nung reigned. Shen Nung was not just any emperor. He was a scholar, a herbalist, and a leader who valued the well-being of his people. One fateful day in 2737 BC, while Shen Nung was boiling water under a Camellia sinensis tree, a whimsical gust of wind made its way through the leaves. A handful of these leaves, as if guided by an invisible hand, fell right into the emperor's pot. An enchanting aroma filled the air, piquing Shen Nung's curiosity. He decided to taste the accidental concoction and found the flavor refreshing and invigorating. That marked the serendipitous birth of the world's first cup of tea. Shen Nung, being a herbalist, recognized the potential of these leaves. He observed the drink's rejuvenating effects and believed it to be a medicinal brew. He began to promote tea among his subjects for its cleansing properties and its ability to revitalize the spirit and mind. Tea was initially used as a medicinal drink, a remedy to ward off various ailments. It was valued for its healing properties, and it was believed that tea could cleanse the body, cure the sick, and even prolong life. This ancient belief has been carried down through generations, and even today, the health benefits of tea are widely recognized and appreciated. But tea was not destined to remain a medicinal brew for long. Its delightful flavor and the tranquility it brought started capturing hearts. Over time, it evolved from a health drink to an everyday beverage, consumed by people from all walks of life. It became a symbol of hospitality, a medium of connection, and a ritual of relaxation. From these humble and accidental beginnings, the journey of tea began. So how did this delightful drink make its way across the world, you might wonder? Well, it's a tale that spans continents and centuries, involving monks, merchants, and imperial powers. Our story resumes in the 6th century, when Buddhist monks from China introduced the art of tea drinking to Japan. The monks discovered tea during their travels and were captivated by its invigorating properties, which helped them stay alert during long meditation sessions. The Japanese embraced this new drink and developed their own unique tea culture, encapsulated in the revered tea ceremony, or Chanoyu. Fast forward 1,000 years to the 16th century, when Portuguese priests and merchants, during their travels in the East, stumbled upon this popular Asian beverage. Intrigued, they brought it back to Europe, where it gradually gained popularity. However, it was still considered an exotic luxury, affordable only to the wealthy. Enter the British East India Company in the 17th century. This powerful trading entity saw the potential in tea and began importing it in large quantities to Britain. The British, known for their love of a good brew, took to tea with a passion. In fact, tea became so entrenched in British culture that it sparked a revolution in social customs, leading to the birth of afternoon tea, a tradition that endures to this day. Interestingly, the British East India Company played a significant role not only in popularizing tea in Britain, but also in its colonies. They established tea plantations in India and Sri Lanka to ensure a steady supply of the beverage, inadvertently spreading the tea culture to these regions. In this way, tea, which had its humble beginnings in ancient China, slowly but surely spread its aromatic allure around the globe. From the tranquil Zen monasteries of Japan to the bustling tea houses of Europe and the verdant plantations of colonial India, tea has been embraced, celebrated, and cherished. Despite its Eastern origins, tea had found a warm welcome in the West. And as we'll see in the next segment, it's not just the taste that has made tea a global favorite. But tea isn't just a tasty beverage, it's also a health tonic. The allure of tea stretches far beyond its comforting warmth and soothing aroma. Its health benefits are as diverse as the varieties it comes in. From the verdant fields of green tea to the robust leaves of black tea, each cup brings its own unique blend of wellness. Let's start with the antioxidants. Tea is a treasure trove of these powerful compounds, known as polyphenols, that work hard to protect your cells from damage. They're like your body's personal team of superheroes battling against harmful free radicals. This antioxidant action may help to reduce the risk of certain cancers and slow down the aging process. Next, we have green tea, a fan favorite in the world of wellness. Known for its potential weight loss benefits, it's often seen as a go-to for those on a health journey. Green tea has been shown to boost metabolic rate and increase fat burning, making it a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. Black tea isn't left out of the health party either. It's been linked to improved heart health. It contains flavonoids that may help to reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of stroke. So every sip could be a step towards a healthier heart. And then there are herbal teas, a world of health benefits in each variety. chamomile for relaxation, peppermint for digestion, hibiscus for blood pressure, the list goes on. These teas are like a medicine cabinet in a mug, offering relief and support for a variety of health concerns. Remember, while tea can contribute to a healthy lifestyle, it's not a magic cure-all. It's most effective when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. But it's a delicious way to hydrate, and the health benefits are a fantastic bonus. Indeed, a cup of tea a day could potentially keep the doctor away. So why not put the kettle on and enjoy a brew? After all, it's not just about the taste, it's about the journey to wellness that each cup offers. Today, tea is more than just a drink, it's a global industry. With the rise of contemporary tea culture, corporations have seized the opportunity to capitalize on this ubiquitous beverage. Among these, coffee bean and tea leaf stands out as a prime example. Although its name suggests a focus on coffee, the company has made tea a significant part of its brand, offering an array of flavors from traditional black and green teas to exotic infusions like hibiscus and dragon fruit. In the United States, tea has carved out a niche for itself in the heart of coffee territory. This shift is not only due to the variety of flavors, but also because of the health benefits associated with tea consumption. Beyond the borders of the US, tea continues to be a staple in many households. Let's turn our gaze eastward to China, the birthplace of tea, where it's not merely a beverage but a symbol of culture and tradition. The Chinese tea industry has evolved over thousands of years, with an intricate tea ceremony that expresses respect, gratitude, and hospitality. Meanwhile, in Europe, tea holds a different kind of significance. In the United Kingdom, tea is synonymous with comfort and homeliness. The Brits have perfected the art of tea brewing, and their afternoon tea tradition is known worldwide. In other European countries, such as Russia and Turkey, tea has its unique customs and is deeply embedded in their social fabric. Despite the varying cultural contexts, one aspect remains the same: the respect and love for tea. It's a universal language that transcends borders, a shared experience that brings people together. From the bustling tea houses in Shanghai to the cozy tea rooms in London, from the Turkish tea gardens to the American coffee shops, tea is a testament to our shared humanity. From its accidental discovery to its global popularity, the journey of tea is a rich tapestry woven through centuries of history. Thank you for watching. Please like, learn, grow, share, and subscribe.